Okay, so you've seen the movie Paranormal Activity, right? Yeah, it's pretty scary. Oh, my shit's like fucked up 10 times worse, I promise. Watch this. Here, this is just an example. Ready?
Where the fuck am I? Oh shit, there's a big ass gun! Oh god damn it! Oh shit, get away! Stop! Oh god damn! Please stop! Stop! No! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh god! I told you, it's fucking scary, dude.
This is the shit I'm talking about.
Shit.
Hey, this is the kind of shit I'm talking about.
This is the kind of shit I'm talking about. Big ass guns, fucking following me. Oh god. Next place. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh god damn it. Oh shit. I'm in a little kid's closet. God damn it. Stupid son of a bitch. Oh shit, I'm really fucking scared.
I'm trying to get out. Hold on.
Oh shit. The fuck? Stop. What is it? What is that? Oh shit. Oh shit, no. Fuck. No. No, please, please. Oh shit. No, don't fuck with me, dude. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, ready? Next place, ready? 1, 2, 3. What the fuck am I doing? This is the shit I'm talking about. Fucking weird. God damn, I'm so fucked up. Shit, I knew I shouldn't have had sex with that one girl. Fuck. Yeah, fuck this place. I'm sneezing again. What the fuck? These places just keep on getting worse. Oh my, I didn't even have to take a shit, see? Like, god damn. What the fuck is wrong with me? Hold on, let me finish. Will you help me? I'm really different. Like something like, I'm fucked up in the head. Like, I don't even know what's wrong with me. Okay, yeah, hold on, let me finish it. Hold on, one more piece. One more piece. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Get birth! Oh shit! I never met her. Okay, ready? I'm gonna go to the next place. Oh shit!
Oh my god!
What the hell?
Oh my.
Shit. See, this is shit I'm talking about, dude. Shit's scary. Fucking crazy ass drivers driving around. Fucking cars and shit. Oh my god. Someone help me. Except in fucking Detroit, those pictures are weird. Oh shit. Okay. One more sneeze. This is just a sample of fucking places I've been to. I've never been here. I'm just really fucking scared. Okay. Ready? One more. Now I'm sending this video in. One of y'all motherfuckers better help me. Okay? Okay. Dude. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm never fucking sneezing again. Oh my gosh. I'm not ending up in weird ass places, okay? Shit's weird. But thank you. Oh, Jesus. Jesus.